Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today we are on a new platform. This platform offers free courses. There are 10 courses which are free on this platform, and this platform is Virginia Wesleyan University e-learning platform. As you know, Virginia is a part of United States of America, so it is very reputed University of United States, and on this platform you get many courses, various courses from different branches, and mainly categorized in four parts, that is arts and science, computer science, business and computer engineering. And here are some list of courses. They are paid courses, some are free also here, but you can see on your screen that for some of these courses you can pay total $299, so it is very large amount. But here are some free online courses which this platform offers. Here are the free online courses Virginia University offers. Total 24 hours online courses are here. First is creating web page, creating WordPress websites, fundamentals of supervision and management, 12 steps of successful job search, keys of effective communication, managing customer service, marketing your business on the internet, personal finance, small business marketing, individual excellence. So these are courses from different branches. These are not specific for any one branch, so anyone can apply for these courses. There are marketing, business, CSIT courses and other courses as well. So I am going to enroll in one of the course, so you can see how is the enrollment process of this site. And one more thing, one benefit of enrolling the university courses, it shows that you are in continuous learning process, and for this you can also take help of various platforms which are not specifically a course provider, and also it shows your searching capability. And here is the course of communication which I am going to enroll. You can see there mentioned that it is of $0, so it is free of cost. And here is the details about the course, and here is the syllabus. Introduction to the keys of effective communication is the first chapter, second is report, third is pacing, linking and leading, fourth is missing learning services, sixth is mastering motivation, seventh is group representation, and 11th is managing stressful communication, and last 12th is review. And here is the requirements. The requirement is a PC, but you can also access this in your mobile. Just you switch over your desktop site, and here you can need Windows 10 or Mac OS. And for reading written resources which is provided by this site, you need Adobe Acrobat Reader, and also some softwares you have to firstly set up on your PC, or so that you can easily continue the learning process of this site. And now I'm going to add this on my cart. On tapping on add my cart, here the checkout option comes. Just tap on begin checkout. When you tap on begin checkout, it redirects to the sign-in process. The sign-in process is easier. You just put your name. Here sign-in process, firstly log in and also create account. Because we are new on this platform, then we are going to enroll. And here firstly first name, last name, email and a password which you have to create for this. So it is not difficult to enroll on these courses, just putting your name, email, and after that one more process is left. So you can also watch how to complete the whole process. And here after that you need a password, and after create account. After creating account, there is an option of payment. As this course is totally free, so we doesn't need to do show, but we have to only check out this from here. And also one more thing, your information, your street address, your locality, and after that your country name, your state and the city where you live is needed to enroll here. Also postal code option here. Take care when you entering your birth date, because it is in format of MMDDYY. You can also change your details in future, and after that you have to tap on complete enrollment. On tapping complete enrollment, there is an option of next. Just tap on next and then complete enrollment and you get your course on your My Catalog. That's for all today. Thanks for watching.